कि भाई अभी तक है, और फिर बोलता है कि 31 ईयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई?
Y'all ate. Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it.
My producer has very
ओ
good.
यार 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कराता था आदमी। पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया, वो नो वन लास्ट शॉट सर, 1 3 शॉट्स सर, लेफ्ट सर। या
You know, we were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
थैंक यू
And
थैंक
you
यू।
put all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें
अरे
करनी
बीच
पड़ती
में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है, और फिर बोलता है कि 31 ईयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सब भी काम करेंगे ना, मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?
मुरुगदास सर,
थैंक यू।
And he has
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं।
He has very. What, sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana, so I am doing this film. And now श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का, मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी। कंटिन्यू नाउ, कंटिन्यू।
सही जब एक आध गैप हो जाता है, सो लगता है कि फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स क्यों?
ईद, दिवाली, न्यू ईयर, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And पिक्चर अच्छी हो बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं।
200 सर, 3-4 दिन में 200. Now, first reaction.
200 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी।
First, like if Rashmika has a golden touch, he has a golden touch at the blockbuster and all the numbers that we have. And then there's a man who's here जो हमारी शान है. जब वो नहीं आते ईद पर, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि what यार, अब सलमान सर आ गए, बस खत्म. Can we have the mics, please? सलमान सर का mic हो जाए.
Thank you, thank you.
Sajid sir. Sir, but before we ask anybody, your father is here. Have you looked at him and seen thumbs up or no? ये तो already देख चुके होंगे. This hasn't happened before. I don't remember Salim sir being there.
Ever coming, na?
Yes, this is the first time.
Yeah, yeah. He wanted to be here.
And was there another reason why he loved the film, or he just wanted to come? What was the reason why he wanted to come for this one?
He's loved the film and he wanted to see the. आप सबसे मिलना था, देखना था कि आप मुझे कैसे ट्रीट करते हो।
This is a great partnership also that has come back. लोग बोलते हैं कि ईद has become synonymous with you forever. जब एक आध गैप हो जाता है, सो लगता है कि फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स क्यों?
ईद, दिवाली, न्यू ईयर, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And पिक्चर अच्छी हो बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं।
200 सर, 3-4 दिन में 200. Now, first reaction.
200 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी।
First reaction, Sajid sir.
Actually, I was struggling AD long back, so I wanted to watch a shoot. So I went to Prasad Studio in Chennai. I requested the security guard to allow me and watch the shoot. So he allowed me with 2 conditions. So you have to be in the corner. Don't talk to anyone. So 20 minutes you have time. After 20 minutes you have to leave. So I entered. I don't know what was the shoot. So I was just waiting. Full dark, one smoke. Suddenly light comes. Sridevi ma'am was there. So I thought first time watching Sridevi ma'am shooting. Then suddenly I can see a hero backside. He's coming.
Backside. Like my backside.
So he's combing. So I tried to I tried to see who is the hero. He turned. Is none other than Salman sir. So I tried to go one step forward, but the security guard looking at me. So I was there. So that shoot started. So without knowing, I went forward. So the guard touched me. So your time's up. You have to leave.
Yeah.
So then I went out. So I thought one day I want to direct his film. So after so many years. I have directed with him.
Fantastic.
So,
Just imagine what the security guard must be thinking now, sir, when he comes to watch this movie.
so thank you, sir.
And then they talk about nepotism. इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा nepotism का?
So thank you, sir. Definitely, Sikandar make you whistle when you watch the film. Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the
As long
film.
as Salman sir does not make Murgados and Sajid Nadyarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I think your box office
Yeah,
record.
I'm so
प्रेशर
excited.
मत डालो भाई.
सर मैंने मुरुगदास सर पे तो 0 का प्रेशर डाल दिया 100,000 बोल दिया so we already crossed that. Kajal, you
That is, I met Salim ji, and Saab introduced me. Papa, Katappa. I'm very happy because though when I was studying in college and school days, Salim Javed Saab's script made so many heroes. So this is a great opportunity. More than acting with Salman ji, it's a great opportunity to meet Salim ji. That's my. And after watching this trailer, this is amazing.
Firstly, hi guys, how are you? All good? Y'all ate? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it. All well? Huh? What?
do that again.
Oh, here. So do na. Huh. This is
And that's
our
your
hearts
shot.
to you. We should get everyone to do it.
Now the paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. वो ऐसा photo करेंगे. Yes, but yeah.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, are you just every Friday everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time, not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, like, I think for this film is the first time sir called me and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started. But it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, they're so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
Thank you.
It's worked so wonderfully well. And congratulations on this. And I think your good luck charm will continue to run with this also.
Thank
That's
you.
what Salman sir, Murugadoss sir, and Sajid sir are also hoping. Fantastic, Sajid sir. But you've got this incredible friendship with Salman sir. And you understand what the audience wants. It's both ways. It's a very fine line at balancing what the audience wants. We were discussing so many things. These numbers, for the public, it's different. But you as a producer, it really is nerve-wracking sometimes. Yes, everyone expects these massive numbers all the time. But when you're out there, you're picking the dates, you're picking the kind of script, you're picking, even in this case, calling Rashmika. Just describe the entire process of Sikandar that was for you.
I don't know. Every time they say Friday decides our career, we're not what we were last year or what we were year before. Every Friday is new. That's why I decided this time I will not release on a Friday.
I'll release it on a Sunday. Let Sunday decide my fate. Thank you.
But simple. Now you've seen the film. वो होता है कि first shot में, वाह, I love it. No. As a producer, as a director, when you saw a film, are you able to say, yes, it worked for me?
Short, you're asking short?
No, whole film, sir. When you see the whole film, have you walked in and said, perfect, there are only 5 days to go now?
Yeah,
Are you fully satisfied now?
Yeah,
Any
fully
more cuts
satisfied.
left? No.
Yeah. Hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5 day shooting still left.
So I want to share few words about my producer. He's not only producer, he's a creative guy. So he's a director himself. He's a writer, and he has
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
He has very. What, sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana. So I am doing this film. And now, श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी. Continue now. Continue.
So Salman sir, you understood that part. He said, I have done this film for you all.
Yeah. That
I used to come in late and I used to leave early. They used to do all the work. That's what Salman sir said.
So, sir, my producer has very
लो
good.
यार 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कर रहा था आदमी. पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया वो. No, one last shot, sir. 3 shots left, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sahid sir has very good music sense also. So I thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also for
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
You didn't think the press conference would be like this, no? You thought it'd be a little more structured. Yeah, but this is how we do the press conferences here.
our shooting was part will be like
Shooting also was like this. We'll come to Sharman. Sharman, good to see you back, brother. This is fantastic. I was reading a story how, it's always like that. He just has such a large heart, and Salman sir is there. It always, I remember when we were doing Race 3 also, and when Bobby sir had come and big body was there and all, and I mean, now, just imagine where he's reached. It's fantastic. You look at Bobby 2.0. Look at how it's happened. Is this going to be Sharman 2.0?
I hope so. Good evening, everyone. I would really like to firstly thank Salman sir for all the love he's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity. Murugadoss sir, thank you so much. And all the lovely ladies and Satyaraj sir. It's been a wonderful journey. Salman sir was nothing like what I'd heard before. And he was an absolute, I know everyone believes he's a gem and he is one, but I experienced it for the first time and I was really, really honored to share screen space with him. So yeah, thank you.
Salman sir, but this film has a lot of action also,
It has everything.
You have
It
to
has
carry
everything.
that with you all the time. There's a lot of emotion. I love that last sequence in the end where Rashmika is singing the song also. Beautifully done. Does this get tougher also to be able to live up to everyone's expectation, to marry everyone?
With the years of experience and the enthusiasm still there, it's getting easier.
Best part that you liked about the trailer that you're watching right now, you watched it in totality, we saw it twice. What did you like the
The
most?
best part I liked of the trailer was the whole trailer, but the second half of the trailer was amazing with that. Humko mili.
I would love to make her sing that again, but it was fine. Will you sing it, sir? Salman sir, will you sing it? I'll have the entire crowd sing with you. The lyrics, right? Who knows his full song? Who knows his full song here? Who knows? You know the full song?
नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए. आपके नसीब में ये रात हो. रात नहीं, रात.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is, I think, just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you when you saw
See,
it?
I think all of them are fantastic, and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2, and we were there, and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning, and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2, and she was not well as well. And then after she breaking her leg, she is still short with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me. Yeah.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, it's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image
Hey,
also.
when the going gets tough, the tough get going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was fantastic. We'll do a little photo op also. Well, taliyan ho jaye for this entire star cast. We'll take all the mics. And we want you want that, right? That picture. Everyone over here should do that little picture. We'll take the mics.